Welcome back, everyone. Have you noticed your PC using too much RAM even when no heavy apps are open? Sometimes Windows keeps a large amount of memory in something called standby cache. In this video, I'll show you how to clear that cache using a free Microsoft tool called RamMap. First, open Task Manager by right-click on Taskbar, then select Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then select Memory. Here you can see the cached memory. On this PC, it's using around 3.2 gigabytes of cache. Now open your browser and search for RamMap, or use the link in the description. Open the official Microsoft sysinternals download page and download RamMap. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder, then run RamMap 64-bit. If you see a user account control pop-up, click Yes. Software license terms, click Agree. Now keep RamMap open on one side of the screen and Task Manager on the other side so you can compare the memory usage live. Inside RamMap, click the Empty menu at the top. Then select Empty Standby List. Wait a few seconds. Now check Task Manager again. You can see the cached memory dropped from around 2.4 gigabytes to about 200 megabytes. This can help free up RAM and may improve system responsiveness, especially on PCs with lower memory. That's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the RamMap download link.